Hello everyone, this is Satish again. In this video, I am going to explain what is UNIX operating system and what are the different features of UNIX operating system. What is UNIX operating system? Before understanding UNIX operating system, one should understand the basic term, what is an operating system. Operating system is nothing but collection of programs, and these programs are going to act as an interface between software resources and hardware resources. Here, software resources means different system softwares that are inbuilt to the operating system, and application softwares means that are developed, installed and used by the users. And coming to the hardware devices, CPU, random access memory and all other IO devices are treated as an hardware resources. If you observe this diagram, users are not directly interacted with the hardware. User interaction with the hardware is only possible through operating system. And coming back to Unix, Unix is not an ordinary operating system. Unix is a multi-user operating system. Now, how Unix is going to support multiple users? Unix operating system is going to provide virtual computers to each and every one of its users. So what does it mean, virtual computer? Virtual computer is nothing but an abstraction of the original computer. Here, Unix operating system is going to create some kind of illusion to all of its users, where each and every user is going to believe that they are having their own CPU, their own random access memory and their own set of input and output devices. This is how Unix operating system is going to support multiple users on the single operating system. Now, different features of Unix operating system. Unix operating system supports concurrent execution of two or more processes because it is a multi-user operating system. If I say multi-user operating system, definitely users are going to have accounts in that operating system where more than one user is going to log into the system simultaneously. Whenever multiple users log into the system, Unix is going to provide virtual computers to every one of them with multiple address spaces, where each and every user is going to get their own address space, and address space of the one user is not accessible to other user. This is how Unix operating system is also going to provide security to the address spaces of the multiple users. Unix operating system has an ability to run different tasks that are coming from one user. For example, consider 4 application programs executed by a single user like word processor, email, web browser and antivirus. Each and every application program during its execution is going to create one process, and all these processes are simultaneously executed by the Unix operating system. And application programs developed using Unix operating system is highly portable, and users in Unix operating system can directly connect to the same computer, or they can also connect to the different computer available in the local area network. Unix operating system also support remote connections. That means it supports connection to the remote computers that are available over the internet. And Unix operating system offers solid security to all the applications at different levels, like at the startup, at the user level, at the file level, as well as at the operating system level also. Unix operating system has a good library of utilities and commands, and these utilities and commands can be very useful to the users in their application development process. One of the important key feature of Unix operating system is it treats everything as a file, including random access memory and all types of input and output devices. If you open the file system of Linux operating system or Unix operating system, there you will find a directory called dev. Dev directory is meant for all devices, and all these devices are represented as a file. For example, CD-ROM, compact disk, read-only memory, and even floppy disk FT0 is represented as a file, and even DVD drive is also represented as a file only. These are the different features of Unix operating system. In this video, I have explained about what is UNIX operating system and what are the different features of UNIX operating system. If you find the video content is helpful to you, please like, share and subscribe to my online byte channel, and thank you very much for watching my videos.